Hey there, car enthusiasts. Did you ever imagine Ferrari diving into the electric vehicle market? Well, buckle up because it's happening. Growth in electric vehicle sales might be hitting the brakes, but Ferrari, they're just shifting gears. The legendary Italian car maker is stepping up their game, investing heavily in EV technology. They've set some pretty ambitious targets, and I'm here to break it all down for you. First off, why now? With many automakers scaling back due to slowing EV demand, Ferrari sees an opportunity to stand out. They're not just following the trend, they're aiming to redefine it. Think about it. A silent, roaring Ferrari. It's a paradox only Ferrari can pull off. Ferrari's plan is bold. They're aiming for 60% of their sales to be electric by 2030. That's right, 60%. And they're not just focusing on the environment, they're committed to maintaining the exhilarating performance Ferrari is known for. Imagine the instant torque, blistering acceleration, and sleek design of a Ferrari, all while being eco-friendly. Sounds like a dream, right? Now let's talk about their investment. Ferrari is funneling billions into R&D, ensuring they stay at the forefront of EV innovation. They're not just buying into existing tech, they're creating the next-gen electric vehicle experience. But here's the kicker: Ferrari plans to unveil their first all-electric model by 2025. That's just around the corner. Picture this, the classic Ferrari silhouette, but powered entirely by electric motors. It's a bold move that could redefine the luxury EV market. So, what does this mean for us car enthusiasts? It's a thrilling time to be alive. Ferrari's entry into the EV market is set to blend unparalleled luxury and performance with cutting-edge technology. And who knows, maybe the next time you see a Ferrari whiz by, it might be whisper quiet, but packed with electrifying power. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more automotive updates. See you in the next one.